About 2 million years ago, our ancestors did something that sounds almost unthinkable today. They ate raw meat, straight from the kill. Raw plants, raw roots, raw everything. No fire, no cooking, nothing. Then one day, everything changed. One single discovery redirected the entire course of human evolution: fire. So why did our ancestors start cooking their food? Was it just about taste? Or did it actually help them survive and become who we are today? Let's dig into this fascinating story. Before cooking, our early ancestors, species like Homo habilis and Homo erectus, survived on raw food, raw meat, raw plants, roots, leaves, seeds. But this came with serious problems. Raw meat was incredibly tough to chew and digest. The body had to burn huge amounts of energy just breaking food down. A lot of the nutrition simply passed through undigested, and raw meat also carried bacteria and parasites, making disease common. Scientists estimate that early humans spent roughly 6 to 8 hours a day just chewing. Think about that. That's most of their waking life spent doing nothing but chewing, which meant almost no time left for anything else, like thinking, building tools, or working together. Now here's where everything shifts: the discovery of fire. At first, early humans didn't control fire at all. It came from nature: lightning strikes, wildfires. They watched it, feared it. But slowly they started noticing something. Animals or plants caught in that fire became easier to eat. The taste changed, and their stomachs filled up faster with less effort. This sparked a gradual process. Humans learned how to control fire, how to keep it burning, and eventually, how to create it themselves. Archaeologists found evidence of controlled fire use at Wonderwork Cave in South Africa, dating back roughly 1 million years. The oldest solid proof that early humans were managing fire deliberately. Now here's where it gets really interesting. A well-known scientist named Richard Wrangham proposed a theory called the cooking hypothesis. His argument: cooking wasn't just a convenience, it was the reason humans evolved the way we did. When food is cooked, digestion becomes far easier. The body spends less energy breaking it down. More calories are extracted. Cooked food delivers significantly more usable nutrition than raw food. And that saved energy went straight to the brain. Over hundreds of thousands of years, this is part of why human brain size increased. Compare this to other primates. Gorillas, for instance, spend almost their entire day just eating raw plants. But cooking freed up time for early humans. Time to think, to make tools, to cooperate. This is part of why some scientists believe cooking led to smaller jaws, shorter guts, and bigger brains over the course of human evolution. Cooking's impact wasn't just physical, it reshaped how humans lived together. When people gathered around a fire to cook, it wasn't just about eating, it became a time to sit together, talk, and build relationships. Many researchers believe this is where the earliest concepts of family and community took root. Sitting around a fire, sharing a meal, this is something that sets humans apart from every other animal on Earth. So, next time you're cooking something on your stove, remember, it's not just a daily chore. It's the legacy of a discovery that reshaped our species millions of years ago. Cooking gave us more usable energy, bigger brains, better health, and a society built around sharing meals together. The discovery of fire might just be the single biggest turning point in human history. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What do you think was the biggest turning point in human evolution? See you in the next video.